Gawa pa na mabanlas na mga balaya nila dito. Gawa na na. Away, lisod na kayo ng ingunanang agian sa imong balay, Brigada Cap, no?
Sa tuwa sa lisod, ang
Luluan. Grabe yun ang kabalayan. Gibanlas, umayo niya matay. Di na mabasta-basta ni nga tubiga, magahigala kung sa pag-initaw ni Bayin. O, nag-iingo na to kung siya man nga rason, ani. No? Ipahigmata, magitag maayo. Nga di na to na diya lagi taon na yamaan ng atong mga proyekto, Brigada Cap, no?
Atong kalikupan, di na to na.
Oh, niya kanibang di sa ginato na diya yama-yamaan ang ato ang kalikupan kay maunay makatabang protektar na to. No? O siguro gyud ni Brigada Cap nganong ngayon ani naman ni grabe naman gining baha ron di naman lang kay tagatuhod tagaliog. No? Lapaw bay naman ning mga baha.
Let's go, Fantabulous 5!
Imagine all the new places you'll go with Mickey and his crew.
Heroes, let's get to work! It'll be super fun!
Up the stairs can take you anywhere.
Come on!
Imagine the adventure.
Ready to hit the trail?
Maybe we should keep moving.
Imagine the fun.
Ta-da!
Where will you go?
I love safaris!
Mickey Mouse Funhouse. Every day on Disney Junior.
My name's Ariel, and these are my friends.
Go on an adventure with Ariel and all her fantastic friends and family.
It's fashion time! You look fantastic. I love it.
Ariel. Weekend mornings on Disney Junior.
Let's go, baby. Come on now. I get strong. You get strong.
Hey guys, done for some deep sea fishing? Crack of dawn Saturday?
Oh, let's go, baby.
What time are you heading back?
We'll be back by dusk.
We're gonna be all right. We're four big, strong men.
Well, you can't bench press the ocean.
Look at this haul. This weather is not good.
We gotta wrap it up.
Nicholas, it's Mom. I know you went out fishing this morning. This big storm's supposed to hit. Love you, hon. Bye.
Get back to the boat. I get strong. You get strong. You get strong. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on.
This is now a rescue mission.
We've got some men out in the open water.
4 men in the middle of a giant storm.
What's happening to him? Hypothermia.
Captain, is my boy still alive?
Let's turn this thing up. I'm gonna do everything in my power to bring him home safe and sound.
Right now. Let's go.
No visual. Weather getting worse.
We are not done yet.
Hang on. I love you.
Hope is the strongest thing that we have.
I get strong. You get strong. We get strong.
Hindi napigilan ng ulan ng excitement sa homecoming parade ni Miss Grand International 2024, CJ Opiaza.
My heart is screaming for joy, and I'm just so blessed. I'm really, really grateful and happy that we have the first Golden Crown.
Bago ganapin ang parada, nagkaroon muna ng back-to-back media conference si CJ at si Miss World Asia 2025, Krishna Gravides, na sobrang masaya rin sa pag-uwi niya ng title as Miss World Asia 2025.
Full of pride and super happy to be back home. Of course, with this title, I hope that I made the whole country proud. But I was just really enjoying every moment in India, and to be back home here, seeing all the support and the love of the Filipinos, like, it just makes my heart like melt. So kaya ngayon super happy to be here.
Bilang bahagi ng kanilang reign, magiging sobrang abala sina Krishna at CJ sa pagta-travel. Sa ngayon, punong-puno raw ng pasasalamat ang puso ng dalawang queens sa malaki at mainit na suportang ibinibigay sa kanila ng Filipino communities sa India, kung saan nanalo si Krishna, at sa Thailand, kung saan kinoronahan si CJ.
Even before I stepped into India, nag-reach out na talaga sila and they were expressing their support. And when I arrived there, ang daming Filipino community. Andun sila with the big banner, tarpaulin. They were very warm. So when I arrived there, I didn't feel like I was away from home.
Hindi ko talaga in-expect na maraming Pinoy na makakarating. Although I know that there's a lot of Filipinos in Thailand, but also it was so sudden. I know people have prior commitments, prior schedules, but then everybody adjusted. The people just made sure that they'll be there. They messaged me, they want to do a historic, they want to be in that very historic moment.
Lars Santiago, updated sa showbiz happening.